Now the Bagsu and Tiffany's right here.
Hi guys, Tashile.
So right now we're going to BAGSUNAG, and if you look at it,
Where they at?
if you go that way, you'll go to Tipa and Dharamkot. If you go this way, if you go this way, you go to BAGSUNAG. Give me a bitch. I think this is Tibet chicken. What is Tibet like? Get it.
Oh,
Look at the monkey right there.
oh.
Huh? What is it? Oh, this is all.
They have like Tibetan like teas and stuff, like herbal tea. I don't know what it is. But I guess they have like
Tibetan herbal tea.
local like herbs and stuff.
Yeah, we'll come back here on the other. Oh, look at the monkeys.
Oh, look at baby. Cute.
Like two
Cute but
dots on the in your butt. Hey, you want to get a tattoo too? There's a tattoo place. Ooh, chest. You can go down from here, I guess.
Yeah.
Huh? Ooh. What is that? Green shop, it says? Looks like a monastery. Oh, it's a restaurant. God damn, it looks like a monastery. Say it again? Oh,
Gotta get sweet.
shit. You want for dessert?
We should bring them, yeah.
Right now? Right now.
Or on the way back.
No, we can eat right now on our way.
We can bring them, yes, yes, yes.
You want like what? Ras Malai?
This and this.
We should have something.
Yeah.
That's something kesari, I think.
But I want to try that. That looks good too.
Rasgulla.
Like this and this.
Okay.
This halwa, right?
I think that's halwa, yeah.
Ras Malai 40 rupee per.
Hey.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Kachori the panipuri song with this one. What you got there, Tiff?
Ras Malai.
Looks good. That's really nice.
Because it is
See
good.
the saffron on top.
Yeah. You can taste saffron.
Can you?
I think so.
Alright. Well, you gotta. I gotta try it now.
Creamy.
Definitely
This is good
see the
stuff.
saffron.
McLeod's face.
That was so good and creamy.
Yeah. Everyone is staring.
I'm gonna get more of these.
You can get
It's so fucking good. So when you come to India, you gotta try this. This is called Ras Malai, and you gotta see like what the topping is. Made out of milk, and they would put saffron and they put like nuts on it.
Yeah.
And it's fucking creamy. Wow. That was really good. Tiffany's still finishing the Ras Malai. I was just walking down the road of BAGSUNAG. We still got one more sweet to go. Haven't been on this road for a while, so we're just walking with the beautiful scene. A lot of restaurants and shops. There's a beautiful mountain up there. Tell me.
Drink it. It's so flavorful.
Oh, hell to the ass. So fucking good. I think I got a piece of saffron. Anyway, we're just walking. Look at this house. I think this is one of the old leftover houses still going on. You can fix your shoes here. Hello. This is a if you come to India, you'll find a lot of cobblers. And cobbling is a dying art in the Western world. So
Oh, look at this.
what is that?
No, just look at all the levels.
Oh,
Looks cool.
pretty cool.
Yeah. But
Anyway, we're just walking down the road of BAGSUNAG. All right, where are we? Ooh, they're praying. I can hear it. I think they're praying up there. I don't know if you can hear it or not.
so much poop.
So this is the road. If we keep going, ooh, Thali house. Okay, now the stores are getting more scarce. I think it's more of a residential area. But we're gonna go our way around and we're gonna get to BAGSUNAG. My aunt is right here.
Are we buying something?
Oh, what is this? We can buy momo, laughing and burger, fried chicken. Look at this Japanese style Maruti Suzuki. Huh? Uncle.
Well, look, that's actually hand painted.
McLeod ganj ki dio ne apuda gi gun sim de gang la do na tiba ji road chi de shin kapil na disang ma de da Dharamshala McLeod ganj. Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty. It could be like phone background. If this was a mountain, you would think it'd be like.
She the bomb she the leader da. Chaba. Oh, look at the guy.
Drink some, come on.
Go for it, Tev.
I'll watch me. What do I do with the trash?
Just leave it there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I got you on video. Oh, I got you on video, Tev. Oh, shit.
You don't know if I'm just putting it down for.
You're not gonna get visa anymore. Literally. That's a crime. You're not gonna get visa anymore, Tev. I got you on camera too.
But don't post it.
God damn.
If you let me, you won't post it.
Okay, I'm today. BAGSUNAG la koma ye le ra kama choose the process. Ani the BAGSUNAG little sir ta di BAGSUNAG ki scene. Dinma chini chudi thonge me hamus ro chudi ma chili do. Ani chu gya sa swimming pool lo chinju so sha ro khunzu yingje. Ninga kapu ta da. Ready up. Ya ko shi thong do. BAGSUNAG ji scene de da. Ah, dinma dugu chi ani the BAGSUNAG entrance door is sorry. Khap the door na. There are restless doors to bike on rent. Bike on rent. Get this to. There are this news game. News yes to. Chinju. Today dango Wednesday ba. Today Thursday dango hacker. Huh? Today Thursday. Today Thursday dango hacker imba.
Friday, Saturday la tu, Saturday. Saturday la tu shugite la.
Come on, so BAGSUNAG la entrance to the BAGSUNAG la going to some five hills in the panding jo. The hotel land another hotel land dinama scene the Himala was seen at the
Vigil la tonyo.
라?
니니알라 참 중요라. 인데 지마다 표 비샷 디 잠바단 표지.
알레 삼성인데 요래
인더스트리. 지금 또 강바 야기하라 와니 더더더기.
삼성이 더 쉬고래
이네 아이 리즐레데.
알아.
이네 미네 인더스트리 비도 하시지. 인더도야 리즐라라 니 투든스도 미자.
알레
먼저 잠바단 비샷 뒤라 먼저 그룹 좀 봐.
알레
인도가 주.
삼성이 나와 하지 로레 나와래
다왔음
어
다왔음
어.
아니 니마숨 다왔음 로숨 인데 사실 로투
정말 삼라디 하거래 하고 정말 삼라디 오마라 군주 나올 데디기라 난 치료제 되셔 말해
기지식 맞어
기지시 말해 갖고 지엄 말 나올 데디 그래서 최진의 공자 최지 이쪽
공개 로로에 라마 공기래 라마 쓰다라 슈이네라 안디 라마 디공기 오 니지 가보다 로저 되겠는데 따디
They have pizza and drinks.
아니
Oh, I just realized.
아 디나마 그지 샤데디
크리스마스 레터
샤데
가라 미니세
나기
니 저것도 나기 사이.
합스
Oh yeah. Okay.
아 디나마 칼리 디나마 박스나 direct booking paraglide zip line trekking is the famous is there zip line pani puri
Massage.
massage what massage will do when we're in Delhi
Yeah.
horse means it's like nice hotels
Yeah, look how fancy.
I think Diwali just ended that's why
Yeah.
but they didn't
No, the building looks new and nice, like
By the
modern.
way. Oh, yeah.
That's what I mean.
hotel
Look at
means
the
just
chandelier.
used to
Oh, yeah, that's the garland up still.
garlands hotel दिखा रहा hotel
Anandam?
Anandam rooms restaurant rooftop
Look at that kid.
parking
There's a cow on the construction site. In the second.
there like the hotel zibuji lines construction road to the shafanda but my taxi
Look at the
was
cow. Is that a buffalo? What is it?
it's a cow or it's a cow I guess yeah ox I think that's what it's called that didn't want to Baksunag la do de
Ew! It almost threw out.
no it's just saying things
No, he
no
made that
that
face.
what no he wasn't gonna throw up he's just calling somebody Tiff that's
Really?
not yeah
Looks
that's how
like he
they
was gonna throw up.
that's how they do it yeah they just say that it's just like barking
But it was gonna throw up.
yeah it's just barking
They bark.
oh the Baksunag entrance tiny entrance like entrance le jay Baksunag oh okay the Bagsu ki chok do less 그래서 박스기 쪽도 레스토랑 아니 되나마 खाली 고민한 도대요 아 박스기 만들어도 지금 도나마도 딩마서 아 이거 추기야서 도지 여라 그들라 경관랭에 망고 실수도 아마 그때 들어왔어 It's this way?
Is it?
This way? How do? Oh, I think we gotta go this way. I think we gotta go this way. Let's go. Dinama mandir doji yor. Oh, le khattu do re do dinama. Bagsu is seen. Beautiful Tiffany. We're just walking and ooh, bunch of hotels and there's Oya. Bunch of shops. I think we're gonna go down this way. Then I'm up to the BAGSUNAG Temple and Waterfall. Then I'm up to Dura Temple, the little temple. Ani Chudinzo Rini waterfall in the Warandela swimming pool. Yarkala swimming gets it. But I'm not gonna do that. Tiffany, do you want to swim in there?
I'm not swimming.
You should swim. You should swim.
I don't know how to swim.
Oh, the temple, this temple. Now, this I remember.
Oh, so you have been here?
Yes, I have in the past.
In the past.
In the past, man. Oh, Bagsu temple. Means you're coming with this. Gorkha house? I think this is Gorkha house because the kukri is there. Huh?
I think the stairs were up there.
No, but we gotta be here. Yeah, that's the swimming pool.
Oh.
We gotta go down. Yeah, I knew it. It's Gorkha rifle. Shoot it. BAGSUNAG. Here's the toilet.
You have to come with me.
We're gonna march to the swimming pool, the yard pool. Alright, going in the water. Okay, ito ang BAGSUNAG ready. Swimming pool is water. I mean, the shoot yesterday. So this is a wall over. Waterfall does it. There is way to waterfall. 근데 상관없이 waterfall does it. 이게 있어. मौज भी नहीं पाएगा घर पर 4 बजे पूछ ले हारो
हाँ है
चलो मम्मी की तरह चलो न जाओ देखा दीदा वो हो दे
waterfall is taring bush. Besana. Then I'm do the you that they cut to the music. Let's down the shah. Tired, who to get? Oh, zip line, look at that guy. Huh? Where do I get to? Same as land is around. Check out. Shut this again. That's same as land. Check out.
There's no one over there to help us.
He's stuck.
Yeah.
So if you want a zip line, zip line chair though. Change thing, vegetable momo. Lango does a little. Chad the one chunju mobile. Cut the door. The gang the lights do. The water is so cold they don't need a fridge. They just put it like this. And then the water is just flowing. Shisha da this shade the lassi che. 자를 추동에 주 dinman 티고 아, 저에다 오스도 오 마이 갓. Didn't couple with the doors. Just taking one step at a time. It's pretty steep. How's the climb so far? Almost there, Tiff. Almost there. Okay, we're here. How's it? Chulere dura. Poi wadala Johnny Depp Paris. Pirates of the Caribbean. But the Zarna is bad for the Zarish. It's upset is sure. There's some do. Kesar to the kisser. Watch out, Tiff. Don't go on the edge. You're on the goats. What is the color side of it? Go feed them, Tiff.
Feed them what? My lemon soda?
Yeah, they'll drink it. Try to call them. Tell them that.
They have mountain water. I have this.
Yeah. You gotta name them all. Give them all Tibetan names.
Nima?
Nima?
Palma?
Nima Dawa Mingma Pasa Pemba Dawa Doma Mingma Doma Lakpa Doma Peppa Doma. Okay, that's it. BAGSUNAG Waterfall with the let's say. That's the one that you cube closer. Right, Jeff?
I'm tired.
You cube closer at the one that. Ni.
Yeah, today I'm tired.
In Himachal, people are so efficient. The fridge over here is the cold water that flows from the mountain, which is pretty sweet. Okay, now the deal is oh, wow, me this is the amount again. God damn.
Woo, there you go.
That's the waterfall. And here we are with a bunch of people. The BAGSUNAG Waterfall is here. There are cafe khashish too. And waterfall is right there. And cafe khashish is too. Hey, what's up, guys?
That's cute.
So this is BAGSUNAG Waterfall. Okay, the BAGSUNAG BAGSUNAG Waterfall. Tiffany, bunch of people just hanging around here, taking pictures. 아니, 일단 디마 시간 좀 로드 중에 봐야 Dharamshala 다실라로. 자, 드링이 vlog 다 알아 참샤기. 아니, that next time 들라 두고. Bye bye.